Hello, hello! Welcome back to the Luana English Podcast. I'm your host, Luana, and I am so happy you are here to practice your English with us today.
And I'm Joe Samar. Hi, everyone. Today we have a very important topic. It's not just about English, it's about your life online.
That's right. Today we are talking about cyber safety. Do you feel safe when you use the internet, Josimar?
Usually, yes, but you have to be careful. There are a lot of tricks out there.
Exactly. Today, we're going to learn words like passwords, scams, and phishing. Let's jump in. Oh, I just got an email from my bank. It says there's a problem with my account and I need to click a link immediately.
Wait, Luana, don't click it yet. Let me see. The sender's email address looks very strange. It's banksecurity123@xyzmail.com. That doesn't look official.
You're right. It says I need to update my password right now or they will close my account. I'm a bit scared.
Don't worry, this is a classic scam. Specifically, it looks like phishing.
Phishing? Like catching a fish in the river?
Exactly. The hackers throw a hook with a fake email, hoping you bite by clicking the link and giving them your private information.
Wow, I almost fell for it. So what should I do to stay safe?
First, delete that email. Second, make sure you use strong passwords. Don't use 123456 or your birthday.
Okay. I use password 123. Is that bad?
Luana, that is a very weak password. You need a mix of capital letters, numbers, and symbols. And you should use two-factor authentication.
That's a long name. What is that?
We call it 2FA. It's when the app sends a code to your phone to prove it's really you. It's like having two locks on your door instead of one.
That makes sense. Better safe than sorry. Okay, Josimar, let's look closer at the language we used. I want to talk about the word scam. Is a scam just a lie?
Great question. A scam is a dishonest plan to make money by tricking people. The person doing it is a scammer. In English, we often use the phrasal verb to fall for. For example, I fell for the scam. It means you believed the lie.
I love that. Don't fall for it. Now, what about the grammar of safety? I noticed you said you should use.
Yes, when we give advice about cyber safety, we use should and shouldn't. For example, you should change your password every few months, or you shouldn't share your birth date with strangers.
Perfect. And one cultural tip, in English-speaking countries, banks will never ask you for your password over an email or a text message. If they do, it's 100% a scam. Okay, Josimar, let's review 5 important words from today's chat. 1. Password, a secret word or phrase to enter a website. Example, I can't remember my password for Netflix. 2. Scam, a trick used to steal money or information. Example, that free iPhone offer is definitely a scam. 3. Phishing, when someone sends fake emails to steal your data. Example, always check the sender's address to avoid phishing. 4. Strong or weak, used to describe how easy a password is to guess. Example, using your dog's name is a weak password. Try adding symbols to make it strong. 5. To click on, the action of selecting a link on a screen. Example, be careful before you click on any links in a text message.
Those are great words to practice. Remember, the internet is a big place, so keep your digital eyes open.
Thanks for joining us today. Your call to action is this. Go to one of your accounts today and make sure you have a strong password.
And if you like this episode, share it with a friend who wants to learn English.
See you next time on the Luana English Podcast. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.